Hello everybody, my name is Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video I'm making some custom fake license plates for cars. So the reason I'm making these plates is absolutely not to go drive around on the streets with these plates on. The reason I'm making them is to film other people's cars with these plates for static shots. Now the reason I want to do that is I've had people want me to film their cars but not necessarily want their plates on in the shot. And if I took their plates off, you would see holes in their bumper, which they also didn't want. So previously I was blurring bumpers and stuff like that in my video, but from now on I'm just going to use these plates for static shots, and they're going to look great. It's advertising for my channel because I have my URL up here. I have my name cashed on there and then my little motto down there. So these are going to be awesome. The way I'm making these is with this laser engraver here. So I custom programmed this file to be laser engraved out of this plastic, and the result is pretty sweet. If you're interested in having a set of these plates made up for yourself, definitely comment down below or email me at cashedoutcars@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you with a price and we'll work together to get you something for your cars and for your videos. With that said, let's show you the process of how these things are made.